Beetroot and yoghurt dip with garlic and walnuts, a great dish for summer or for parties. You're going to need 240 grams of full-fat Greek yoghurt, 2 chunky garlic cloves that have been crushed, a pinch of salt, and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. A good squeeze of a whole lemon, and then give it a good mix up until it is smooth. Now for the beetroot. I've got around about 400 grams of cooked and peeled beetroot, and I am very gingerly there, trying not to get it all over the shot. However, when it is fairly smooth, you can then add it into the yoghurt. You're going to mix it round as best you can, again, making sure you don't spill it all over yourself, just don't wear white. And then you're going to be giving it a little taste test. I just wanted a little bit more salt, so added some. I think it's best if you do this gradually because you don't want it too salty. Then you're going to add in 30 grams of chopped walnuts. Just give them a good crush up and again mix them through. Then I like to make a little well when I'm serving these and just add a little bit more of the olive oil, and I then like to add in a few more of the chopped walnuts. Then dip in, enjoy, and watch out for those double dippers. And if you want the full written recipe, you know where to go. It's my website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.